Hi everyone, my name is Jaime Dirangasao Jr. and I am currently based here at Fort Erie, Ontario, Canada, and I work as a cook in Kaizen Sushi and Ramen. I am a BIT Food Service Management student. From our Principle of Management subject, I learned how the main management function, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling work together to guide an organization effectively. I also understood how leadership motivates motivation, decision making, and communication can improve teamwork and performance, which I can apply in real kitchen settings. I believe I deserve a grade of 95 because I work hard throughout this course. Completed and passed all the requirements, activities, and assessment, and managed to do this whole also working and studying at the same time. This shows my commitment, time management, and dedication to understanding and applying the principle of management in my actual job as a cook. Thank you for watching, everyone.